again to the Steve Oken guitar channel. Today we are going to look at the song We Are the Lucky Ones by Jack and Tim, which was performed in the Britain Got Talent, and it won a Golden Buzzer. So as usual, we are going to begin by looking at how to play, or what chords you need to play the entire song. You only need 4 chords. We have A minor, we have C, we have F, and a G. So I will not assume that you know how to play the chords, so we'll start by looking at how to play the chords that you need in the entire song. So we begin by the A minor chord. So first of all, as you can see, I have a capo at the 2nd fret, but you can play the song without a capo. So of course, since the capo is on the 2nd fret, I'll be using the shapes. So since the capo is at the 2nd fret, when I play the A shape, it's not the A chord, it's actually the B chord, but we are going to use the shapes. So the first chord you need to know how to play the song is the A minor, which is played by the index finger. So to play the A minor chord, the index finger goes to the 2nd string, the 1st fret. I'm counting the frets from the capo, assuming this is the bridge. So the 1st finger goes to the 1st fret of the index finger goes to the 1st fret of the 2nd string. The 2nd finger goes to the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and also the 3rd finger goes to the 2nd fret of the 2nd string. So you have the A minor chord. Then the next chord is the C major chord, which is the regular C major chord. The 3rd finger goes to the 3rd fret of the 5th string. The middle finger goes to the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and the index finger goes to the 1st fret of the 2nd string. So you have your C chord. Then we go to the F major bar chord. In this case, I'm playing the F major bar chord. So the ring finger goes to the 5th string, 3rd fret. The pinky goes to the 4th string, 3rd fret. Then the middle finger goes to the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then the index forms the bar chord. So you have the F major bar chord. Then you have the G chord. The ring finger goes to the 3rd fret of the 6th string. The pinky again the 3rd fret but the 1st string, and then the middle finger goes to the 5th string, 2nd fret. So you have your G chord. So the chords are A minor, C, F, G. So we talk about the strumming pattern, which is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So down, 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 up, down, 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 Now if we incorporate the strumming and the playing of the song, we have